Airfix, brand new quick build.
The Jag.
Hi guys, Moz here from Moz6510 Models. We're a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Tonight, quick build. We're going to be reviewing the kit and we're going to build it as well, and then just talk a little bit about the Jaguar I-Pace eTROPHY. Box art looks fantastic as always with quick build. People mock them. I think they're really good because basically it's no glue, no paint, just build. So no need for any mess, no fuss, and you get a model. Brilliant, brilliant idea. So box art looks fantastic. It's in like this sky blue color, has like the image of the Jaguar down the side. Ultimately it looks pretty good. You've got an exploded view version of it there, just showing you as it's all like coming together. On the side of the box, there's the code for it. It's J6033 QuickBuild Jaguar I-Pace eTROPHY. Age for 6+. It has been endorsed by the Jaguar Group. There's the proof there. On the side, it just copies the front of the box. Along the side, it has a hook there for hanging it up on a display. And on the back, it just tells you the actual size of the car, and also another picture of it in exploded view. There is no information about the car on this box, so lack of information, I'm afraid, to tell you exactly what the Jaguar electric car is all about. So let's open the box and see what we can find inside. One sheet of stickers to put on. There's quite a few stickers here. Just looking up, I see number 25, 26. So there's 26 stickers to put on this car, so it's very, very detailed in that respect. They are stickers, they're not decals or decals. You have to peel them off and just put them on. They've got their own self-adhesive backing. Instructions, it looks like you're going to have 14 steps to build this, and then you have a piece there just showing you where the stickers go. 40 pieces autoed for this one. Again, Airfix Club is mentioned on the bottom. I assume they're going to release this again because on the box they do have they do have on here somewhere. They don't have a flying hours. That's interesting. I can't see a flying hour. Oh, so there you are. That says it all then. There is no flying hours on this one. That's strange. I've not seen that before. So, it comes in 2 bags. All the parts, and then there is a piece here, which is, or 2 pieces it looks like, which is your clear plastic. So let's open up and see what we find inside. So first off, let's just go for the clear plastic. There's no scratches on it. It looks nice. Again, it is very similar to Lego. We can't deny the fact that, you know, looking at it, you can see the idea has come from a build, Mega Blocks or something like that. The history is that they were going to go in partnership with Lego to build these kits and make these kits, but then Lego pulled out and they carried on doing it, so fair play to them. Another piece there, I don't know what that's for, but we'll have a look when we build it. It's a floor. You've got the rubber, which is the tires. Now remember, there's always one way to put these on, so they all come off. You may have to trim these off with a little knife, just carefully. And then you also get the wheel trims, which easily snap off. They may need a bit of a clean up to put them in. I might just do that now. Clean that off, make sure it's flush, and then you have to look for the rim, which is there, I think. So yeah, that goes on the outside, that fits on top, and it just pushes in nice and tight. Look at that, nice. So there's four of them, and everything else. Before I go into the time lapse, just remember, if you want to see it slow-mo, just go to the cog in the bottom right-hand corner of your YouTube, and you'll see settings. Click on the settings there, and you'll see speed, and you can put that down to either 0.25 or 0.5, and you can watch this build slowly. So let's start. Let's build the Jag. Finally finished. Very happy with putting it together. The instructions are a little bit different in this kit. Normally you would just do that 9, 10, 11, 12, but no, you've actually got to open them up fully. There's a few times when I had jumped from doing this bit onto here, and then when I got to here, I thought, well, hang on a minute, there's no roof. And then I realised I forgot I've got to go along. So it's 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, there are some really nice aspects. You know, you're looking at it and you're looking at it, thinking this ain't going to go together right. Is that right? Is that right? But when it all comes together, it does look fabulous. 40 pieces this one is, and it has got together. There are a few little bits where you can see gaps. Now, I've tried pushing them in, but when I push them in a bit hard, it ends up popping out down here. The stickers make it, doesn't it? Look at the stickers, the detail. I've had, you know, I had to really look hard on getting the stickers in the right place. Very intensified. I think I spent more time on the stickers than I did on the build. Trying to get that Jaguar spot square on. I think I've done a pretty good job with that. But I took 3 or 4 attempts using a pair of tweezers I needed, because the other one that's small is that little blight there. Honestly, it's tiny. I don't even know if I've got it the right way around. I can't see. But ultimately, it is a very nice looking kit. The way you've got the lines going down here, down to the front, then down on the arse end sort of thing. Yeah, very happy with it. One quick thing was, which I was really impressed with, when I was going to do the Jaguar bit at the back, I went to pull the J off, and I thought, oh, I've just broke it. But no, they have actually cut them into sections. So 21, 22, 23, they're actually cut, so they do go around where the spoiler goes into the back there. You know, I haven't quite got it straight on that one there. I mean, pull that down a bit, but you know, it is what it is with stickers. If these were decals, you could spend a lot of time just moving them around, getting them wet, making sure they move around and slide around a bit. But a few little places where there's little, little holes, but I don't think you would notice that really unless you're really detailed in it. But what a great kit to give to your grandchildren or your children who want to get into modelling, but they're a little bit too young for it. I'm actually going to buy one and give it to a mate at work who loves his Jags, because I think it will look really good. He'll have a good lot of fun making this for himself. You know, he can't really own one of these electronic Jaguar cars, but he would enjoy owning and building this one, I reckon. Anyway, there we are. That's the build. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. just one quick word. Jeremy Clarkson, what do you think of this kit?
The thing is, I think that is just a brilliant, brilliant piece of design because it's a Jag, but it's kind of modern. That's absolutely fantastic looking car. I can't wait to have a go in it.
I think he sums it up quite nicely. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed, click subscribe, and also ring the bell so you're notified of any new videos. And if you could also just share it amongst social media to help build the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.
Because he's got a Jag.